is Brownie from Manhattan, New York. So I have a huge baby haul for you guys. So stay tuned for that. As you guys know, I'm almost 5 months pregnant and I'm having contractions like a bitch. And yeah, so stay tuned for this baby haul. So the first thing is, okay, I'm gonna start from here because this is like more reachable first. Is the Zobo. I went to BabiesRUs and it was $79.99 for the Zobo cozy rocking swing, and that's how it looks. So I literally just finished setting it up because I just got this delivery an hour ago. I'm kind of upset because it took me so long to do, and I usually do stuff faster than this, but again, I'm pregnant, so I'm not even like killing myself up. So so as you guys can see, this, it swings from, it has to be plugged in. So you guys can see it's plugged in to the IKEA. No, actually, yeah, I think I picked up both of these from IKEA, if I'm not mistaken. Home Depot, I'm sorry, Home Depot. IKEA has them for $1. These outlets with like 7-8 jacks for $1. So it's plugged in right now. You guys can see the red light. So that means that it's plugged in. So since I just set it up, let's see if it works. We're gonna press the power button. Oh, so the power's on. Oh, let's put something in there to see if it really is rocking. So, yeah, I decided to put this little fox in there. I also just picked this up from BabiesRUs. So this is the way that the baby is. Uh-oh. Now I'm filming from the side. So this is the way that the baby is supposed to. I also picked up this this fox from BabiesRUs. It was, I believe, $30 for the fox. So we got it on. Let's see the music. You guys hear that? The music's going. Now I don't know what this is. Oh, that makes it rock. So it's working. It rocked. What does this do? So it's still rocking. Let's see the highest volume. Oh, that goes pretty loud. That goes pretty loud. That's really loud. So I'm going to turn it down a little bit if it's a newborn. Then it has a timer, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes off. Let's see if the vibrating thing down here works. So yes, it's working, y'all. So it's rocking and vibrating. At the same time. I think I have to put in batteries down here. But as far as everything else, this part works off electricity, so it works. Yay, see the baby's rocking. The baby's happy and stopped kicking. The baby's rocking. Ah, I'm gonna leave this running all day now. No, I'm kidding. I just found magic, y'all. So yeah, y'all. Sorry. So the fox worked. The fox in there. So let's see. So let's talk about the fox. So the fox is so cute. Look at the fox, y'all. The fox is adorable. The fox is so cute. So the fox is, I picked it up from Toys R Us, but this is from the Levex Kids Plush Toy Collection. And I bought it for myself. It's 100%, well, I bought it for the baby. I bought it for myself. I bought it for the baby. It's 100%, uh-oh, you guys can't see. It's 100% polyester fill. And it says the surface is washable, mild suds, cold water, spot clean and air dry, so can't wash in a machine. And yeah, it was $30 for that. That's I bought it to put in the crib. Then also from BabiesRUs, this was $59 $63.99. As you guys see, I have a humidifier right there, but that is a cold humidifier, and it does use a filter. This one is the soothing warm mist humidifier, which is made for a baby. I think because I only used warm mist humidifiers when I have a baby, like up to like 2 years old, up to like 5 years old. I used a humidifier on baby. So this is the soothing warm mist humidifier. It says the tank capacity is 1 gallon, so it runs for 24 hours straight, which is the same tank as that one, 1 gallon. The medicine cup right here in case you need to put like a certain scent in there, so it will dispense that vapor. Then it has humidity control, so it has two-step. It has 2 options of what kind of steam you want to let out, and that uses 3.6 gallons a day. And then it has a pure mist. The pure mist, it helps provide easier breathing for night sleep for the baby, of course. So also from BabiesRUs, I picked up this Levex. I was obsessed with this brand. I really like it. This is the 4-piece bumper set. So as you guys can see, it's gonna go around the crib. You guys can see, and this was $70. It's just literally the bumper. It's not a sheet or anything like that. It's just the bumper, and this is the bumper, you guys. So this was $70. And this is the bumper, and this is how it looks. You guys can see it's a owl bumper. Okay. So also from BabiesRUs, I just finished setting up this as well. This is the Dream on Me Bassinet, and this bassinet only holds up to 10 pounds. So that's about to the baby's like 3 months. So yeah. So in this entire haul that I'm showing you guys, it's $1,000 was the total. So I also picked up this musical mobile, and it's also foxes to match the fox. It looks exactly just like that, as you can see. So I just finished putting everything together. It took me about 2 hours. That's how the mobile looks. This was $63.99 as well. No, I'm sorry. This was $49.99 for the Levex mobile. Then I picked up the Baby Organics nighttime bubble bath. It's the Orange Blossom comforting tear-free formula. Comforting soothing, non-allergenic, pediatrician and dermatologist test, and it's neo-nourished, so that means that you can use it on your newborn whenever it has neo-nourished on it. So it's natural seed oil blend, so pretty cool. So I picked up 2 of those. This is the nighttime bubble bath though. I still have to get something for the daytime. So I picked up 2 of those. These were $9 a piece, $8.99, $9 a piece. So I picked up 2 of those. And I also picked up the lotion from that set. So this is the nighttime lotion, same scent, Orange Blossom. And this is the Carmen, same thing, and Neo Nourish. You guys can see what it says Neo Nourish, which means you could use it on your newborn. So yeah. Then I picked up the I picked up 3 of these comfy duet knit sheets. This one is, they all have different colors. They were $11 a piece. $11 a piece. I picked up 3 of them. I picked up the white, the gray, which I have on the bassinet, but I have to go buy a bassinet sheet because it doesn't fit. And I kind of use the bassinet first, but I have to buy a bassinet sheet. And unfortunately, the mobile is not attachable to the bassinet, and I'm going to be using the bassinet first, so that kind of really sucks. Only when the baby's in the crib, you can use the mobile. But when I put the baby in this, it can use this mobile because this thing spins. You guys can see it spins. This is the I try to buy like neutral colors because I still don't know what I'm having yet. Even though I really think that I'm having a boy, I still don't know what I'm having yet. So that's the gray sheet. You guys can see I have in the bassinet. I also picked up the crib protector. from BabiesRUs. All the stuff that I'm showing you guys right now is from BabiesRUs. I picked up the Koala Baby Essentials fitted portable mini crib pad cover. This was $25. Yeah, this is the mini crib pad protector. So if it doesn't fit the crib, then it should fit the bassinet. But it's 24 by 30. It's 24 by 38. So that's like the crib size. And this is, what size is this? That's 24 by 38. And this is 28 by 52. So slightly smaller than the sheets, but it's not small enough to fit in the bassinet. So I might have a blooper right there. Being that I'm having the baby August 12th is my due date, I picked up the Carter's Little Baby Basic Newborn little footsie things because wintertime is gonna be right around the corner. And it's like little shoes, but it's really soft. It's fur lined on the inside, so it'll be perfect to put over the socks to keep the baby extra warm. Make sure baby's feet is warm. And since the baby's name is going to start with M, I picked up the letter M. And this is from Koala Baby as well. This was $23.99. This is the Koala Baby wall letter. And I didn't want the whole name. I just wanted the initial. So you can have two ways of hanging. You can hang it with one of these 3 bows. Or you can use the nail and nail it into the wall, which is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be nailing it into the wall. So I picked up, I told you guys I have to pick up premature stuff because my baby is going to be small. So I picked up the premature short sleeve bodysuits. And I picked up 2 of those. And it's 3 in a pack, so it's only, oh, it's 4 in a pack. Sorry, I'm just not seeing one. Oh, it's 4 in a pack. So I picked up 8 of those because I picked up 2 packs and there's 4 in a pack. So I picked up 8 of the short sleeve bodysuits. I picked up, oh, what am I saying? 12. I picked up 12 of the short sleeve bodysuits because it's 4 in a pack. I picked up 1 of these ones, short sleeve bodysuits in a neutral color because, again, I don't know what I'm having. But undershirts and stuff like that I'm definitely going to have on the baby every day. So that's a go. This is like, I'm going to put this on top of one of these shirts. So I picked this up in newborn instead of preemie because it'll be a little bigger. And this is the 4-pack as well. So it has this one, this one, this one, and this one. And the newborn size, let's see. So the newborn is 5 to 10 pounds and 17 to 21 inches. My children are usually like 20. My first child was 21 inches and a half, and that was my son. And my daughter was 19 inches and change. So 19, almost 20 inches. So pretty cool. And then the preemie size is up to 5 pounds. So this is really newborn baby size, and up to 17 inches, even though the baby's gonna be longer than 17 inches, but whatever. Because it's a newborn, so it's gonna be longer than 17 inches. So I picked up one, so I picked up 2 of these, and it has three shirts in them each, and it has a snap on the side. And this is a short sleeve side snap shirt, and I picked it up in preemie. And again, preemie is up to 5 pounds, even though I used preemie on my kids and they were like 5 pounds, give or take, when they lost all that water weight. By the time I got them home, they were like 6 and 5 pounds. So yeah, and I picked up 2 of those. So these were $9.99. All of these were $9.99 each. And it's 3 in there, so it's such like a really great deal. That's why I love BabiesRUs, because $9.99 for 3 shirts popping. So this is the one side snap. So I picked up 6 of those, and I picked up 8 of the long sleeve bodysuits, and because it's 4 in each pack, and I picked it up in premature, and it says up to 5 pounds, and yep. And so this is how the mobile looks, like just like not attached to anything. This is how it looks. It comes with 2 colors, so whether it's a boy or a girl, you can put on the green or the peach. I use peach for my boy because I think that he's gonna be a handsome schmandsome and get all the ladies. So I use peach on my sons. and since I think that I'm having a boy again, I use peach again just to add a little color. So this is how it looks. Just have to snap that part onto the crib, that part rests on the crib, and that's the music part, and you just have to put the battery there. So yeah, that's how that looks. So the bassinet, so I have all this stuff in the bassinet, but the bassinet comes with a pad insert. So this is the pad, and again, I said the sheet is too big. So this is the pad, and then it has this part, and then it has this pull part. Oops. So it has this pull part that you pull, and you can pull it completely to cover the entire bassinet, which is perfect because I'm having my baby in the summertime. So that's how the bassinet looks. You guys can see that. That's how the bassinet looks. It also comes with, I literally just finished putting this together, as I told you guys before. The bottom part comes with this little basket, caddy, where you can put the diapers and stuff. Those are all the instructions that I've been reading to put these stuff together. So moving on to the next store is IKEA. So I went to IKEA. I bought another bag, even though I have like 3 bags already. So I really just need to bring my bags and stop wasting it. I picked up 100 unscented candles because you guys know I like to burn the hot oil things. But in order to burn it, I need candles because I don't have the electric one. And I picked up 2 mirrors to put behind the crib. So this is the same exact mirror that I have in my room, but I am going to paint the walls before so this is how it's gonna look, but it's gonna be separated. So it's gonna be like separated. So I picked this up to put behind the crib on the baby side of the room. There go my iPhone. There go my iPhone. Ow. So I picked up 2 of those. These were $8.99 a piece, and this was like $6.99 or something like that. And then I also picked it up this mesh for the baby's clothes whenever it's dirty, and for the stuff that I have to wash before I use it on the baby. So such as the muslini, I have to wash all the baby's shirts. So I picked up this thing to just like take the stuff out the packages, put it in here, and then wash it with my hands. So I do wash everything before I use it on the baby. What I'm gonna do with the bassinet is wipe it down with like a Clorox wipe, and that's how I'm gonna sanitize the bassinet. But yeah, and this bassinet is called Dream on Me, and the bassinet was $60 as well. So yeah, this sums up the baby haul because all of this stuff is for the baby. So thumbs up this video, share it, like it, subscribe to my channel to stay better, me and my life. Be blessed. I'll do the same. Again, this is Brownie from Manhattan, New York. Mwah.